Dive into the skies with the Boeing 737, the world's best-selling jetliner. On this day, back in 1990, the 1,832nd aircraft was delivered to United Airlines, marking a milestone in aviation history. Born from a design meant for short routes, the 737 took its first flight in 1967 and entered service just a year later. From seating a modest 85 to 130 passengers, the 737 evolved. The upgraded 737 Classic models accommodated between 110 to 168 passengers. Flash forward to February 2024, the order count for the 737 reached a staggering 16,470, with 11,703 delivered. The 737 Next Generation, introduced in 1993, brought about improved fuel efficiency, range, and passenger capacity. By February 2024, 7,124 737 NGs were ordered, with 7,109 delivered. Boeing bid farewell to 737 nanograms production in 2019, transitioning to the 737 MAX. So next time you're up in the air, remember the journey of the Boeing 737, the jetliner that climbed above and beyond.